Making a note of those foundation cracks. And yeah, hey folks, this is Daniel again, cleaning next exterior in Worcester, Massachusetts. Today I'm going to be cleaning this patio here, and also this side of the house, which is covered with mildew, especially the top. I'm going to try to clean the bottom here, but didn't know how to clean the top up there, so we're going to be doing that. And I was washing the house this week, and that hose blew on me. So it's a 100-foot section. I do have 100 as backup. This is the second hose that I lose for this year. No, this is the second hose that I lose in 2 years. So I've been using this hose and the one that exploded on me earlier this year for 2 years, 2 seasons, and that's the second to go in 2 seasons. So very good hose. Before I throw this in the dumpster, I'm gonna see what brand it is and where did I last get it, so I'm gonna get me some more of those. Okay, let me get started with this house wash. This is the 1.8 downstream injector. It works very well in the cold, but today is very warm. It's around 70 degrees, so it should go a lot faster on the siding at least. Even with the 1.8 injector, I had to do a second coat of SH at the top and a little bit at the bottom. So I need to wait longer, maybe 5 minutes more, until I start rinsing this. Okay, yeah, at least I'm seeing this clearing up a little bit. And I have to post-treat it. Okay, it's gonna be a tedious job. Okay, I just finished hitting the edges here of the stairs and the retaining walls. Now for the foam part. I did it all with the turbo nozzle, and to be honest, I was having fun with it. Being tempted to do everything with the turbo nozzle, coming off like butter. So, but I don't want to be here all day, so yeah, hook up the surface cleaner. Okay, all done here. Came out nice. Alright, this is the only job I have for today. Everything's slow. I'm becoming slower as we reach fall. So I'm gonna switch to gutter cleaning soon. And there's that.